Hello, dear viewers. I hope you are doing great. I'm also blessed, Alhamdulillah. Welcome to a new video. Actually, today, when I was recording this video, I came up with an idea. I was thinking instead of just showing you the roads and pretty sights of London City, I could make my videos little informative. In that way, while you are enjoying the view, you can also know something new, which may be important for you. So for today, I have chosen a topic which is really important for the new riders and for those who have an intention to ride motorcycle or moped in the UK. I'm going to discuss all the processes from the beginning till the end that you can find a clear direction to ride in the UK. This video, I believe, will be useful for the new immigrants who are trying to find a job, also for anyone who is thinking to ride motorcycle or moped in the UK. Well, there are few types of motorcycle licenses available in the UK DVLA system, but for the sake of today's video, I'm going to discuss only one category of driving license, which is CBT, and it's a basic requirement for any riders to ride in the UK. So without any further delay, let's start the topic. So to begin the process, you have to apply for a provisional driving license. It's a very straightforward process. For your benefit, I will provide the link to apply for the provisional driving license in the description box. To make the video shorter, I'm not going to discuss how to apply for the provisional driving license. However, I have seen so many videos available on YouTube from where you can take some support and fulfill your application for the provisional driving license. Furthermore, I would like to give you some information about the provisional driving license. It will cost you £34 if you apply from online, and it will cost you £43 if you apply through post office. Once you successfully apply for the provisional driving license, it can take up to 3 weeks before you receive the license in your hand. So once you received your provisional driving license, then you can move for the second stage, which is obtaining CBT. CBT stands for compulsory basic training. It's basically a one-day training program which is divided into 3 parts, and once you successfully complete 3 parts, you will be provided the CBT certificate, which will allow you to ride motorcycle or moped in the UK legally. In all the training centers, the training will start from early morning, mostly from 8 a.m. In the first session, the instructor will show you or try to teach you how to ride a motorcycle, and they will also do some activities. They will show you some moves, how to turn left, how to turn right, how to make circle, how to take the roundabout, how to take the U-turn. And during this time, they will also observe you to find if you are confident enough to ride motorcycle or not. To be honest with you, it's a catch, though it's known as a basic training. But during this time, you have to show that you know how to ride motorcycle. So I would suggest you that you practice enough before you go for CBT. At least you need to know how to ride a motorcycle. So once you have shown yourself that you are confident enough to handle motorcycle or moped, the instructor will take you to the second stage, which is about the road signs. At this point, the instructor will ask you or show you some road signs that you have to tell what are these road signs means. So this is also another catch about CBT. They are not going to teach you the road signs. You need to know them before you go for the test. So I would suggest you that you memorize the road signs, which is important for you to know, because when you will ride on street and if you don't know the road signs, it can cause a serious trouble for you and for the other road users. So if you can successfully complete this session, then the instructor will take you to the final part, where the instructor will take you on the street to see practically how you can cope with all the road users on the street. During this time, the instructor will give you instructions and guidelines, and you need to follow the instruction and guidelines provided by the instructor. An instructor will observe how safe you are during this time, safe in terms of for yourself and for other road users. If you can prove yourself as a safe driver, you will be issued by a CBT certificate, which will allow you to ride motorcycle or moped in the UK. Now, there are a few limitations about CBT that I would like to clear with you. First of all, you cannot ride more than 125cc with the CBT. Secondly, you have to show a L plate both in front and at the back side of your motorcycle or the moped. Third, you cannot carry any passenger. And finally, you cannot ride on the motorways. So which are the motorways? If you check on the Google map, the roads that are starting with M, these are known as motorways. So you can't ride your motorcycle or moped on. You have successfully passed your CBT. From that date, you can ride your motorcycle or moped in the UK for 2 years, and you have to renew your CBT after that. One more tips about CBT is that even if you pass your CBT with a automatic moped or motorcycle, still you can ride a manual motorcycle in the UK. There is no legal obligation that you must need to pass your CBT with a manual motorbike if you want to ride a manual motorbike in the UK. Once you get your CBT, you are free to ride motorcycle or moped in the UK. So next stage is buying your motorbike. Now it's totally up to you. It depends on your budget and your preferences, whether you like to ride a moped or motorcycle. It's up to you. If you want to ride a manual one or the automatic one, that's also your choice. The next thing that you need to be careful before you start riding your motorbike on the street is to get an insurance. You can get insurance from the insurance providers. There are so many insurance providers available in the UK. There is a popular website called gocompare.com, from where you can get a competitive quotation from different providers. And then if you are buying a second-hand motorcycle, or if you are buying a motorcycle from individual sellers or private sellers, it's always advisable that you should check if the motorcycle has its road tax and MOT. These are the legal requirement for anyone who wants to ride motorcycle or moped on the street in the UK. So at the end of the day, I will say, if you want to ride your motorcycle in UK, you should need to go through all these stages that I have explained in this video. And finally, I would say, when you are riding motorcycle, please stay safe. Try to avoid high speed. Keep yourself safe, because life is more worth than time. I wish you all the very best. Enjoy your life and fulfill your dreams. Thank you. Take care. Bye.